students. Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Today's subject is Maths of Standard 3rd and the name of the topic is Coins and Currency Notes. This is part 2. In the part 1, we studied about the notes and the coins of different values. And also we studied about how to add them or how to find out the total amount that we are having. Isn't it? Today we will go for shopping. We will purchase some things and then we will make a total of all the purchased things, that is the cost, and we will pay that one to the shopkeeper. Okay? First we will take a quick recap of the last lecture. See dear students, this is a symbol for rupee. In India we use rupee as a money, isn't it? And this is the symbol for rupee. Look at the coins and know the values. See, this is a coin for rupees 1. Here also we can see 2 rupees coin with 2 different designs. These are 5 rupees coins and this is one single 10 rupee coin. This is 5 rupees note. Nowadays we are using this as the minimum valued note. 5 rupees 2 notes, one new one and one old one. Here also we can see 10 rupees new note and the old note. See, this is 20 rupees note and this is new one. Here also we can see 50 rupees old note and the 50 rupees new note. This is 100 rupee new note. This is 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. These all we are using nowadays, isn't it? These all are new notes. Here we can see 3 notes of 10 rupees each. What is the value or what is the total amount of these 3 notes? Yes, means 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is equal to rupees 30, isn't it? If I am having 3 10 rupees notes, means I am having 30 rupees. Here we can see the coins of different values. We have to find out the total amount. See this, equal to. Okay, now we will count. See, this is 10 rupee note. This is also 10 rupee note. Means 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, 25. This is 26, 27, 28. Isn't it? So, I am having rupees 28. Now, here also we can see. See, observe this carefully. This is a 20 rupee note. 1, 20 rupees, one more, 2, here 20 rupees, third note, 20 rupees, fourth note and 20 rupees, fifth note. So what is the total amount? If I am having 20 rupees 5 notes, means I have rupees 100. Correct? Next one, see this. Here we can see 3 notes and we have to find out the total amount is equal to how much. See, this is a 50 rupee note, see that values. Okay, this is a 50 rupees note and this is also a 50 rupee note. This is new one and this is old one. So 50 plus 50 is 100 plus this is 20. So the total amount I am having is rupees 120. So I am using here the symbol rupees. Like this only you can also use to write the symbol for rupees. You can use this one. Okay. Now write the total amount in the empty boxes. Okay, here we will see and we will count the total amount and we will write the total amount in the empty box. Yes, here dash rupees. Okay, now see this. This is a 500 rupee note. This is 200 rupees note. Here you can see, and this is 50 rupees note. Means we have to add these three notes. 500 plus 200. 5 plus 2 is 7. 700 plus 50. So the total is 750 rupees. Isn't it? Okay, the second one. Again observe the notes carefully. 500 rupees note is there. Then 100 rupees note, one note. This is second one. Third one. Then 10 rupee note, 1, 2, over. Okay, now we will count. This is 500 rupees one note. This plus 1 means 600. Plus 1 700. Plus 1 800. Okay, this is 10 rupees. So 810 rupees. 820 rupees. So what we will write in the box? We will write 820. Isn't it? Now the next one you have to calculate. Okay. Observe the notes and their values. These are notes and here we can see coins. 3 coins are there. Now what is the total amount? You have to write in rupees. Got the answer? Okay, we will verify. Here this is 500. This is 200. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So this is 700. This is 100. So 800. This is 50 rupees. So this is 850. Here again 20. 850 plus 20, 870. Correct? This is 10, 880. This is 5, 885, 886, 887. Isn't it? What is your answer? My answer is 887. Yes, you also got 887. Nice one. Correct. Students, we will go for shopping. Okay. Now here we can see different things. Shopkeeper is there. You can see different things here. Chocolates, tops, balls. Here Bingri, oyster toy, that is called as. Then here we can see the pencils. Here we can see pens, erasers and sharpeners. Okay, we all need this in day-to-day life, isn't it? The cost is written here, rupees 2 for candies or chocolates, rupees 4 for top, for one top rupees 4. Okay, for one ball rupees 10. Then one bingri cost rupees 2 and one pencil we will get for rupees 3 and the cost of one pen is rupees 5 and one eraser costs rupees 1 and the sharpener also for rupees 1. And we will purchase now the things whatever you need you can purchase and you have to make the total of purchased things and you have to give it to the shopkeeper. Okay. Yes. This boy named Ramesh, he purchased 2 tops from that shop. The cost of each top is rupees 4. He purchased 2 tops, means how many rupees he has to give to the shopkeeper. We will help him to count. See, this is rupees 4 on your fingers, then plus. On another hand, again we have 4 fingers we can take here. Now count. Earlier these are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. Now this is 5th one, the 6th, 7, 8. Correct? Now 4 plus these 4 means 8. We have to carry forward these countings. 4 here, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total amount we have to give, means Ramesh has to give to the shopkeeper is rupees 8. Got this? Because he purchased 2 tops of rupees 4 each. Now Suresh also purchased some things. We will see what he purchased. He purchased 1 pen and 1 pencil. What is the cost of pen? Rupees 5. And what is the cost of pencil written there? Rupees 3. Okay. Now 5 plus 3 is how much? How much he has to pay to the shopkeeper? Again we will use our fingers. Here 5 rupees means 5 fingers I have taken plus 3. Okay, we will make 5. Then this became 6. This is 7. This is 8. Isn't it? So the total amount it became 8 rupees. Now he will give rupees 8 to the shopkeeper for pen and for the pencil. Now this is John. He purchased 1 ball and 3 candies. The cost of the ball is rupees 10 and candies 2 rupees each. Means here we will write 6 rupees. Okay. Now what is the total amount he has to pay to the shopkeeper? Okay, here 10. Here we can take 10 fingers. This you know, correct? 10 plus 1 chocolate for 2 rupees. Second one for 2 rupees. Third one for 2 rupees. See here 10. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, means John has to pay 16 rupees to the shopkeeper. Isn't it? This one is Ajay. What he has purchased? He purchased 4 sharpeners and 2 bingris. Okay, the cost of 1 sharpener is rupees 1. Isn't it? So we will write 4 plus here bingris cost 2 rupees each. Means again here also 4 we will write. Then what is the cost? Total amount he has to pay to the shopkeeper. See here 4 plus, we can write 2 plus 2. See what is the total amount? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? That is total again here also rupees 8. Now she is Avni. Okay. Now here Avni is telling us that I have rupees 85. What is the amount she is having? 85 rupees. And I have 5 notes. Okay. Quantity 5 notes. Can you guess which notes I have? Okay. We have to guess which all notes she has, and the total amount should be 85, not more than 85 or not less than 85. Means here condition is that there should be 5 notes and the total amount should be equal to 85. Okay, we will see. First we will take, okay, 20 rupees, 1 note, 20 rupees, 2 note, 20 rupees, 3, means it became 60. 20 rupees fourth note means 80, correct? And 5 rupee 1 note, isn't it? How many notes? Here 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Correct. Our 5 notes, this is right, and total is also 85. Means both the condition we gone through and both is right. Means 5 note also we got and rupees 85 also, isn't it? And we will guess one more type. 50 rupees 1 note, 10 rupee 1 note, means it became 60, this became 70, this became 80 and 85. Means how many notes it became? Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, right. 5 notes are there and total rupees 85 is there. Very good. She is Sima. What she said, I have rupees 60 and have 2 notes. Can you guess which notes I have? Total amount is rupees 60. Remember this. And number of notes only 2. Both condition we must have to follow. Okay. Means can you guess, dear students, which all notes she has? 50 rupees 1 note. Okay. And 10 rupees 1 note. Yes, this became rupees 60. Now if we take 20 rupees, then what will happen? 20 rupees 1 note, 20 rupees 2 note and 20 rupees 3 notes it became, correct? So her condition is only 2 notes she is having, isn't it? Here it became 60, but this is right, 60 is right, but this 3 notes, so this is wrong. Her condition is that only 2 notes. So we will get only one option, that is 50 plus 10. Now again Sima, I have rupees 100. Can you tell which all notes can I have? Here we will get so many options. We will see, and she not mentioned about the number of notes. Only she said us the total amount that she is having, correct? Okay, now we will see. Yes, 100 rupees 1 note. This is the possibility, isn't it? Second, 50 rupees 2 notes is equal to 100, isn't it? Then 20 rupees 2 notes, 3 notes, 4, 5. Yes, this is also equal to 100. Correct? Then here 50 rupees note, 60, 70. This is 90 plus 10. This is also became rupees 100, isn't it? Means 150 rupee note, 2 notes of rupees 20 and 1 note of rupees 10. Total rupees 100, isn't it? Okay, here we will see he 10 rupees. He used 10 rupees. 1 note, 2 notes, 3 notes, 4 notes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens are 100, isn't it? Means 10 rupees, 10 notes together make 100. Again, some options are there. She can show 1 rupee coins. How many coins? 100 coins. Then that also equal to rupees 100. Isn't it? Yes. There are so many options are there. Okay. Yeah, Amol, he says that I have rupees 160. Can you guess which notes I have? Yes, dear students. Now we have to guess which all notes he has. Okay, here we will write like this. Rupees 100, one note. Rupees 50, rupees 10 is equal to 160. This is one option. Second, 50 rupees. 50 rupees 3 notes means 150, isn't it? 50 plus 50 is 100 plus 50, 150 plus 10 remained. Correct? That became 160. Third one option, 50 rupees 1 note, 50 rupees 2 notes means 100. Yeah, 120, 130, 140, 150 and 160. Correct? That became 160. Next, 20 rupees he is going to use. 20, 20, 40 plus 20, 60 plus 20, 80 plus 20, 100 plus 20, 120 plus 20 means 140. This is 150, 160. Got this, students? Like this we can guess many more options that become equal to rupees 160. Isn't it?
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.